Hinge repair on Asus X540MA laptop. Thank you, Gabriel, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. The Asus X540MA laptop underwent a hinge repair procedure to restore the mechanical integrity and proper functionality of its screen assembly. Over time, the hinges have become loose and misaligned, causing difficulty when opening or closing the laptop lid and posing a risk of further internal or structural damage. This type of issue is common with frequent use and can lead to cracks in the plastic housing, pressure on the display panel, and even damage to internal display cables if left unresolved. To perform the repair, the device was carefully disassembled to access the hinge mechanism. Broken or displaced parts were inspected, and the affected hinge was either reinforced, realigned, or replaced entirely, depending on the extent of the damage. The surrounding screw mounts and internal frame areas were also reinforced to ensure the hinge could be securely fastened and would remain stable during repeated use. After the hinge was repaired, the laptop lid movement was tested thoroughly to confirm smooth opening and closing with no resistance, misalignment, or additional strain on the screen. This repair not only prevents further damage to the display and casing, but also enhances the overall durability and usability of the laptop. In summary, the hinge repair of the Asus X540MA restored the structural strength and safe operation of the device, ensuring it can now be used reliably for everyday tasks. Hinge repair is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.